Load your family into the 2011 GMC Yukon. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. A wealth of standard features mean that you no longer have to sacrifice, such as remote keyless entry, a built-in garage door transmitter, a power seat, automatic dimming door mirrors, turn signal indicator mirrors, and much more. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. State-of-the-art amenities such as steering wheel memory and pedal memory yield a more personal driving experience. Premium sound drives 10 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.